back. This is the new mini keyboard I received from Zoweetek, and it's a mini wireless keyboard, supports 2.4 GHz wireless connection, wireless technology, and it has a touchpad function, so you can use the fingers, and it's really nice. It's very cheap. I'm not sure about the price, and it supports Windows, Linux, PlayStation 3, Xbox 360, and Raspberry Pi, according to the box. So it has few functions, like I said, touchpad, air mouse, and the keyboard. So this is the box, looks nice. I'll do a quick unboxing and show you all the items inside. Of course, it also should support any set-top box, such as Android based or others based on Linux, so you can use it with your TV box. Okay, user manual in English language. On the back you have a nice picture of the mini keyboard. Okay, here you have the charging cable for charging the unit from any USB port, such as a PC, or also a power supply unit, not included. And this is the keyboard. Looks very nice, well packed. So let me open it and show you the quality. This is how it looks like. Plastic looks nice. Backside, you have a nice rubber filling. Okay, battery. Let's see if I can open the backside. Okay, here you can see there's the battery, 3.7 volts, and the dongle. And let me check the quality also inside. Pretty okay. In the pictures it looks really bad. From what I can see, pretty good. So plastic is okay. I wanted to check the quality on the back side. So pretty nice product. This is just an unboxing video. Looks nice. Here you have the touchpad surface, so you can use the fingers, navigation, and you have the keyboard, nice layout. And here you have additional buttons, left, right, power on off, and the USB for charging the unit. That's on top. So you have right and left buttons located here. Pretty comfortable, I think. So I hope you enjoyed my quick unboxing of the mini keyboard from Zoweetek, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye and see you next time.